Now, criteria 3.1 was very much communicating with our two IQAs about the upcoming sample, the review process. Criteria 3.2 is demonstrating that you as a lead IQA, have conducted a sample, So you, as a lead IQA, are going to request the IQA reports from the two IQAs in which you are monitoring, Now, as we know, your two IQAs need to be monitoring a minimum of 2 assessors each, Now, what you are looking for here, is whether or not the IQA's feedback to the assessor is positive and constructive, So we're thinking about positivity here, constructive, and also has the work been assessed properly, So of course, you will also need to look at the assessor's marking and also perhaps look at the learner work as well, So as the lead IQA, you have to be confident that the correct decision has been made by the assessors and also the IQA as well. So as the lead IQA here, we do have a lot of responsibility, So to meet this criteria, what we would like for you to do is to sample the IQA's reports from the assessors. So you could, in fact, submit 4 reports, of course, you have your two IQAs, and each IQA will have produced 2 reports each, So we're looking of 4 in total, So you are going to sample those reports, Of course, you can request for evidence from your two IQAs, So it could be perhaps a learner's work, the assessor's marking. The more evidence that you can be given, the more thorough your IQA review is going to take place here. So do encourage a lot of evidence from each of your IQAs as well, Also, some other key points here, of course, has the learner work been reviewed appropriately? Do look for perhaps dates, signatures, times. Has all of that been communicated on the forms, on the learner work, And finally, has the IQA set the assessor some targets as well? So very important that each of the IQAs has not only provided positive and constructive feedback, but have also set targets to the assessors that they are monitoring. So do look out for that when you are reviewing the IQA work.